Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I'm trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, first off, they are awesome for you stock and day traders. Here's a little thing that may get you interested. There is no pattern day trading rule. There is no pattern day trading rule, and you don't need a lot of money at all. Now, this is not necessarily the reason I'm using a prop firm account, but if you use and go down the prop firm route, then yes, you need very minimal money. What is a prop firm? Prop firm at the core, you put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential available to you. If you're curious about which prop firm I'm using, how they work in more detail, just check out the link which you see up on your screen there, claytrader.com/take profit, and I'll also put a link down below. And then if you just want to learn about futures in general, I'll also put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll give you a good foundation of the futures market and how it works. So that is the current status, and I have not taken any trades yet, but I'm watching, so I will pause the screen recording software, and I will be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short here. Oops. Just 3 micros. Stop is that green line. We'll see if this thing wants to come back down at all. Not looking so good right now. And I am stopped. So $78 loss on that one. That's all right. I'll pause. Let's see what else I can find. All right, looking to get short at that red line there, and I am short. See what it wants to do here. Added another one. See if it wants to come down some. That blue line is my average price. So if it drops below there, I will be in the green. So 190 on that one. So I'm now back in the green. So just built a little bit of a size there. Nothing huge. And hopefully the one lesson you're walking away with is, okay, yeah, I guess I can see the value in cutting losses, because let's say I did not cut the loss on that one. Notice what happened. Remember, I got short down here. Not a great entry point. Clearly not a great entry point. But had I gotten stubborn, no, I'm not going to take the loss. What would happen if you're a beginner? When you're short, you want prices to go down. Believe it or not, yes, going shorting, that means making money if prices go down. Totally bizarre concept depending on how new you are to the markets, but it is totally possible. But on the flip side, when prices go down, you make money. But if prices go up, you lose money. So I said, I don't remember, a short down around here somewhere. So I got out, I don't know, somewhere right around there, was it? I don't remember exactly, but all right, whatever, cut the loss. But had I gotten stubborn, that loss would have gotten bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. But instead, what happened? Well, I'm back in the green now. Why? Because I just cut the loss in the first place. So it is okay to have losses. Losses are part of being a trader. There is no shame in taking losses. I know a lot of people show up and it makes sense. You know, well, I'm not going to lose. I'll just wait. I'll just wait. Just cut the loss. There's no ego. You're going to be wrong. If you're not okay with being wrong, if you're somebody that has to be right 100% of the time, you will fail miserably, guaranteed. You know, I say it quite a bit. You know, there's no guarantees in the market, and I suppose that's not exactly true, because one guarantee I make you, if you are somebody that has to be right, that demands to be right 100% of the time, you will fail. Now, I'm not saying you're going to fail right away, but you will ultimately fail in your trading journey. because that's the biggest skill you must have as a trader is, can you admit, yeah, I got that wrong? Can you say those words? I was wrong. Those 3 words, I was wrong. Very, very important part of trading. And this is why, and I'm harping on it just because this is a real life example that just happened. Like I said, this is live. This is not a voiceover. It literally just happened before our eyes. I just experienced it, which is why I think these live trade videos are relatively popular, because you're hearing my thoughts right in the heat of the moment, but you just experienced it. I said the 3 words, I was wrong, came up, took another trade, and yet I'm green on the day. So I was wrong. That might be a good video title. I was wrong. But if you can learn to say those 3 words as a trader, I'm not going to guarantee that you'll have success, but what I can say is you're going to be in a way, way better spot than the person that refuses to say those words. All right, I will pause. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and call it good. I am going to keep on trading, but for the sake of this video and just the educational lesson, I want this to be the isolated trade in here. And that way you can walk away with that learning lesson. So if you want to see more trades, that's okay. I have hundreds of these live trade videos on the channel. But as far as this video is concerned, I was thinking, should I just end it here? So yes, again, full disclosure, I think I'm going to keep trading. I don't know if I find anything. But for the sake of this video, I think that was such an important lesson that I just want to keep it isolated in and of itself. And then before I go, I do want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar. So if you're looking to learn how to manage risk, build consistency, and much more, then definitely get signed up for this free live class. But at the core, make sure that you will have a right structure to the markets. I see a lot of people show up and they understand some things, but they don't understand everything. And that, unfortunately, you need to understand it all. You need to have a complete picture of the market, how tools should be used, how they should not be used, mindsets that are a little bit deceiving, although it's understandable why people think the way they do, but still, that's not the way somebody should be thinking. So really encompass a whole lot, but at the core, the class is going to make sure that you're positioned properly with the right framework, the right guardrails to be able to, launch yourself into the crazy world that we call trading. So check out the link down below, or you can just go to claytrader.com/live to learn when the next live class actually is. And then again, for those of you that are in futures, or maybe you're thinking about getting into them and, the prop firm and all that, definitely go up there, claytrader.com/take profit. Check that out. I'll put a link down below, and make sure you use that link because prop firms are always giving promotions and discounts. And no matter when you're watching this video, to ensure you get the best deal possible, again, whenever you are watching this, if you use that link, that'll ensure, like I said, you get the best deal at the moment in time that you are watching this video. So thanks for watching. Remember, be able to say, I was wrong. If you enjoy these live trade videos and you're looking to support the channel in a super easy and free way, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out a whole lot. So thanks for watching. Thanks, and have a good one.